I take a shower.
I take a shower.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Give me a hand.
Give me a hand.
I can cook simple soup.
I can cook simple soup.
Where are you going?
I am going home.
Where are you going?
I am going home.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is okay.
Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is okay.
I am feeling sleepy.
I am feeling sleepy.
Why are you laughing?
Because I am happy.
Why are you laughing?
Because I am happy.
What do you think?
I don't know.
What do you think?
I don't know.
I open the window.
I open the window.
Where is the closest bus stop?
I don't know.
Where is the closest bus stop?
I don't know.
Can you come with us?
No, I am busy.
Can you come with us?
No, I am busy.
I smell a fresh flower.
I smell a fresh flower.
What did you say?
Nothing.
What did you say?
Nothing.
Do you often go for a walk?
Do you often go for a walk?
I turn on the lamp.
I turn on the lamp.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, please.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, please.
Heat up the tea.
Heat up the tea.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Can you help me?
Sure.
Can you help me?
Sure.
You plant flowers in the garden.
You plant flowers in the garden.
See, I buy a dress.
See, I buy a dress.
How was your day?
It was quite nice.
How was your day?
It was quite nice.
Let's order pizza.
Let's order pizza.
I water plants in the morning.
I water plants in the morning.
Do you have any bags?
Yes, they are suitcase.
Do you have any bags?
Yes, they are suitcase.
Enjoy your day off.
Enjoy your day off.
Can we buy fruits?
Can we buy fruits?
When did you buy it?
I bought it yesterday.
When did you buy it?
I bought it yesterday.
I wash dishes.
I wash dishes.
I ride my bike.
I ride my bike.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
We eat dinner together at the table.
We eat dinner together at the table.
Did you see the moon?
Did you see the moon?
Do you hear me?
Sorry, can you repeat again?
Do you hear me?
Sorry, can you repeat again?
The food is delicious.
The food is delicious.
Do you drink tea in the afternoon?
Do you drink tea in the afternoon?
You look dirty. What happened?
I was working in the kitchen.
You look dirty. What happened?
I was working in the kitchen.
I mopped the kitchen.
I mopped the kitchen.
I sweep the floor.
I sweep the floor.
Are you tired right now?
A little, it's been a long day.
Are you tired right now?
A little, it's been a long day.
I wake up early in the morning.
I wake up early in the morning.
I vacuum the rug.
I vacuum the rug.
Where is your school?
My school is downtown.
Where is your school?
My school is downtown.
I go to school.
I go to school.
I finish my homework.
I finish my homework.
Are you busy?
No, I am not busy.
Are you busy?
No, I am not busy.
He say nothing.
He say nothing.
I read a book in the living room.
I read a book in the living room.
Are you walking alone today?
Yes, I just needed some fresh air.
Are you walking alone today?
Yes, I just needed some fresh air.
She walks to store in the morning.
She walks to store in the morning.
I am not feeling well.
I am not feeling well.
I want to go to the metro station.
I want to go to the metro station.
May I sit here?
Yes, please sit down.
May I sit here?
Yes, please sit down.
I am going to the playground.
I am going to the playground.
My car has broken down.
My car has broken down.
We are in the car.
We are in the car.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
He waits at the door.
He waits at the door.
The book is on the table.
The book is on the table.
Can I help you with anything?
Yes, please help.
Can I help you with anything?
Yes, please help.